The market is red hot and we have the famous Santa's rally ahead of us. It's Christmas time. Smash the like button if you wanna know what's going on with Bitcoin and crypto with CryptoMax. Crypto to the most here. CryptoNews, Rodrigo Ornedo, your host for the most. We have Bitcoin under 100K and we are so sad to say that we were all the way down to 92,247. So what do we expect now? Well, we have this famous rally of Santa Claus. What is that? The idea that the week that is previous to Christmas time and also the one that is after that, well, you have there a rally. You have the Bitcoin price going up. This happened in the past. Well, if you have all crypto as a whole, you have this crypto rally, this crypto Santa Claus rally 8 times in the last 10 years. Well, you can say that's a lot. We had like 0.69% to 11.87% in that week that goes between 27 December to January the 2nd. This is crazy. This is the rally. The market behavior the last 5 days of the year and the first 2 days of the next year. That's the rally. But you can see that if we consider previous to Christmas Eve, just 5 times out of 10 times we had this Santa's rally for the crypto as a whole with 0.15 to 11.56 well, at that rally at that time. So now we have to consider what happened not just in this crypto as a whole, that you can see that well, we have those fingers missing with my new chroma, but any case, we had here well, December and then pre-Christmas and then post-Christmas 2023, and in 2020 that was a good one also in 2016. And we are comparing what we have right now to previous year and also to electoral years, 2016 and 2020. So maybe we are gonna have it good December, that would be the green column. The pre-Christmas happened in 2016, you can see it here. It didn't happen on 2020 and it happened a little bit last year. For that after, for December 27 to January the 2nd, we had that on 2016, we had that on 2020, and we had it last year. So maybe we're gonna have it right now too. But consider that just the 3 out of 10 last years, we had this Santa Claus rally, whether you consider before or after. Those were 2016, 18, and 23, as we are telling you. But what about Bitcoin? Just Bitcoin? Well, in the last 10 years, that was for Bitcoin just 7 times if we consider previous, 5 times if we consider after. So a lot. The biggest one was 13.19% the previous week to Christmas on 2016. And we went all the way up to $1,000. So you can imagine that that $1,000 is the new 100K that we have right now. And here in the chart, you can see 2023, last year, December was a good one, also 2020. We have here also 2016. And if we consider the rally, we had a good pre-rally on 2016. We had not as good one in 2020. It was good in 2021 and it was not good last year. But we had a post one last year and we also had one on 2016 and 2020. So that's my hope right now that we are going to have it in the post week. We'll see about that. Consider that these experts will tell you that this rally thing is an no very, very important thing to consider. Not a huge biteable, but we like to watch them all and just pray for Bitcoin price to go higher in the last part of December, as we did in 2020 and 2016. You can see it here in this chart right now, maybe recovering. That would be amazing, and why not? Of course, we want a happy Christmas And if we consider the gap of the futures, CME, you can see that we went all the way down to 92,325. So that's less than we did in spot. And that means that maybe it's enough. And if that's not the case, we can go to $90,000. We can break this trend we are having right now and start our way to hell, like this cat is dancing us to. And I went to another variable that we can compare. Again, smash the like button if you like all my crazy ideas. This is not financial advice. But remember the Fed decisions. The last 2 times we went up, but now I'm looking at the 2 previous ones. And you can see that we went down and down, orange and yellow. And what will happen if we go through the same path? Well, as soon as December the 24th, we might be around $80,000. Amazing drop, huge. That can be also in January the 9th, the 10th. So yeah, this is something that might happen if we follow those paths. Do you think that's possible? Maybe then we are going to fill the gap we have in 77,760. Maybe we need these lines that I draw so that Bitcoin stills there. We'll see about that rally. Remember, we've been here for so many years, and this is not the first time we talk about the rally. If you want to know more, just watch previous videos about it. We'll see about the stock market this last week of the year. Remember previous videos, I told you what happened with the wicks and if we might be up for a downtrend. Watch all the videos in this Christmas time. Maybe you get distracted, but you have to watch them all. December right now is in the red, and remember, this is not usual in election year. So we expect it to end in the green. We'll see about that. 0.79% drop at the time I'm recording this video. And if we go to the weeks of the year, well, you can see in 2018 we had a 53rd week. We might have it again because we end the year in a Tuesday. So we'll see. The last one, 52nd, usually is red, and the 53rd usually, well, the one we have there is green. So we'll see about that, even though that will be just 2 days, not a whole week. But do you think we're gonna end it in the red as we did the previous 3 years? If we consider the whole thing, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 5 out of the 6 was a red week. So we'll see about that. Any case, Bitwise Asset Management CEO Mark Hugan attributed the recent crypto market pullback to a natural washing of out leverage, highlighting that the long-term drivers are still intact. We're still in a strong bull market. I like that. Also, I like to see that the market still is greedy in the 70. And Donald Trump, he gave a speech and he congratulated us, the Bitcoiners, because we hit 108K, the all-time high for Bitcoin. So thank you, Donald Trump. We have the whole speech. I'm going to watch it. I will tell you if something is there that you need to know. I also watched already, as I promised you, the last interview where he told us that maybe they're going to pay the 33 trillion debt with Bitcoin. Amazing stuff. It was tough watching that lady just trying to say bad words about him, and he defending himself all the time. But well, this is what usually happens. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, says the role of crypto is digitalizing gold. Amazing that this very important personality says that. And Michael Saylor, another one that published again the Saylor tracker. And remember, every time he does that, he buys more Bitcoin. So we'll see about that. He also released a digital asset framework, which includes a strategic Bitcoin reserve, highlighting the opportunity to position America as the global leader in the 21st century digital economy. Hopefully, people in US government will read that and they will buy Bitcoin, as El Salvador is doing. You can see they just bought 11 Bitcoin worth over 1 million to their strategic Bitcoin reserve, as Nayib Bukele promised us. So that's a good one. And also a good one that France's fifth largest bank, the 863 euro billion BPCE group, is going to launch Bitcoin and crypto purchases for its 35 million customers in 2025. Good stuff. Also, some bubbles are in the green, like Curve, like FTT. Maybe they know something about FTT, FTX, that people is going to have their money back this Christmas. That would be also good. Ethereum is again trying to go up. And this is the story of Ethereum. You can see this rocket, just like Elon Musk. Ethereum goes close to 4,000, even touches 4,000. And now we are playing how to land back. We don't want Ethereum you to land. We want you to steal over $4,000. Again, this package is Ethereum in 2024, trying to go up and then down. And then we think that is going to go up finally. But you know that we go up through stairs, but then we go back quickly as using an elevator. Ethereum, we are tired of that. And now some thoughts. What about who has the Bitcoin? You have here this table from Cointelegraph 2023-2024, and you can see how a lot of the Ethereum is being bought by ETFs, funds. Governments also are growing. MicroStrategy is growing too. If you want some percentages about this, you can see that 57% is in hands of individuals like you and me, 17.6% is lost, 6.6% is not mined yet, 5.2 belongs to Satoshi's wallets, 3.9 to ETFs, 3.6 to companies, 3.5 to miners, and 2.7 to governments. So little by little, the Bitcoin is changing hands. It's interesting to see that 57% still in our power, and we need to be like that. Bitcoin, please send me a sign. What should I do? Pay the rent or buy more Bitcoin? And all the signs go to buying more Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what you do, just buy more Bitcoin, this guy says. Also, you can buy still for the last hours with discount a Ledger Nano, X, S, or Flex. You have Bitcoin as a reward if you buy it with the link in the description below. Thank you very much. And today we have a winner also for the CL Crypto Draw from Jesus Lorente. Thank you very much for that prize, which was 30 minutes asking questions or one of those memberships for 1 year, the Tripulante. And the winner is, let me find out, where do I have the winner? It's a winner from United States called Tracy Point D. So if this is you, just send me an email to fanontheRide@gmail.com and we'll see how you can take advantage of that prize from US. You won. And remember also that you maybe are flying to US, maybe you are going to Dubai, you want to open there a company or being a digital nomad. Well, we have a link in the description below, and you may have up to 2,500 euros discount if you do it before December the 31st. So I will remind you, because it's a huge deal, as it is a huge deal that they found more of these UFOs out there. Now people saying that this is not UFO, it seems to be something from Earth, and this cat mad because Santa's not giving us the rally, and we wanted it. Do not be mad like this guy. It's okay, we're still poor and we still use the soap till the end. It's okay. And remember that you can't be as crazy as this guy trying to enter Hogwarts in London. Oh my God. There's no path to the movie there. Crazy, crazy guy. As these two, you can see them. They were driving like crazy. This truck, they were there responsible of this craziness. These two cats. Have fun out there, but be careful, because you might have a crash. Remember to keep on learning even though we are in Christmas time, about AI in our channel, Rodrigo Arnido, Inteligencia Artificial, and of course about Bitcoin here in CryptoNews. And we want to wish you, of course, a Merry Christmas. This is a present from El Chiquitin. It has Bitcoin on it, also Ethereum, and it says to hold and hold for another year. Thank you, all of you, for being there. And the best is yet to come here on Rodrigo Arnido, Noticias Bitcoin Crypto News. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!